Hey everyone, this is Mahesh. So let's see how we can install VS Code editor into the Windows 11 operating system. So I'm in Google Chrome browser, just going to search VS Code, that is Visual Code Editor. I'm going to click on the link. So you can see here a download link for Windows. You can choose your operating system from here. Click on the download link. Just open the file. It will show a window. I'm going to click on the I accept the agreement and going to click on the next. So this is the path where your VS Code going to install. I'm not going to change, but if you want to change, you can click on browser and set the path. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm not going to check this box here. Just click on the next. Create a desktop icon, yes. Open with code, of course. This one also. So as per your requirement, you can check or uncheck this checkbox. Clicking on next. And finally going to click on install. So it's installing now. Okay, so you can uncheck or check this checkbox. When I click on finish, of course it will launch this Visual Studio Code. So by default this screen is showing. You can choose your theme from here. Okay, I'm going to choose a dark theme, and also you can browse the color theme from here. So it's gets, let's see, I'm going to create a folder over here, say project 1. The drag and drop functionality is off in Windows 11, so you just open the folder from here, like open folder, go to the file menu, open folder, desktop, select the folder you want to open, select folder, yeah, click on the yes. So from here you can see a project 1. You can create a file like index.html html:5, and you can start editing your code here. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, guys.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.